Welcome back to another episode of Apartment Renovation by Casamona. We have found a unique apartment located in one of the most historic buildings in the heart of Barcelona, El Palau Mornau. Not many cities have the chance to offer the blend of such old historical features with the modern 22 lifestyle. This is what makes Barcelona an amazing city to buy an apartment in. This palace comes with an interesting history. It was built in the 15th century by the Saclement family, a rich and important family during the Middle Ages in Barcelona and all of Catalonia. The Palau Mornau has been a monument of Catalan architecture ever since, especially with the renovation works of the modernist architect Joaquim Raspall in the early 20th century, who turned this neo-Gothic building into a staple of Catalan Modernism. Nowadays, the Palau Mornau is home to the Hash and Marijuana Museum, a museum dedicated to cannabis history. But most importantly, it is home to some beautiful apartments that are located right above the museum. Being an old building of the Renaissance period, rooms such as the kitchen and the bathroom have to undergo a smaller renovation. Even though these bathrooms are newly renovated, we don't think they fit to the style of this apartment. So let's see what our architect will come up with. But what Casamona loves about it is that the renovation works will only enhance the beauty of this historic place. The architect wants to reflect the Gothic atmosphere and bring out the old modernist Catalan features as much as possible. Indeed, whilst upgrading the flat into a modern apartment, he still wants to embrace the historic and original architecture of the Palau Mornau. We cannot wait to see the final results of this renovation project. Follow the process with us, and let's see how amazing this 15th century apartment will turn out.